Welcome back to part 2 of battling with Shoutmon's friend.
Last part we left off, my shiny dragon is almost to dust.
Yep.
Hopefully it isn't dead yet. I'm sure that it will find a way back into this battle. First off, let's fit. Oh no! If you kill Shoutmon, you're dead. Oh, 2 HP! Thank you, Shoutmon. Thank you for being so totally awesome.
Come on.
Bam! I really thought that would do more damage. Again. Alright, I'm sick and tired of fighting this Yveltal. Time I end this.
Come on.
Oh, crap! You better hope my next attack misses, or else it'll be an instant kill. Preparing the almighty Zap Cannon. Come on, go. Oh!
Yeah!
Stupid. Oh! Darn it! Why does it have such crappy... Maybe this will still work. Oh, dang it, that used to work. Oh, boy. You're just delaying the inevitable. Zap Cannon, please work this time. Oh, you suck. Well, it's time you change things up.
Yep.
Oh, I see where this is going. I see where this is going. Come on, Zap Cannon. Yeah! Take that!
Ah!
Yes! Yes! Told you this to kill. Oh, you're using your Delphox, huh? Very well. Let us do this battle. Rock smash! Oh, wait, I thought the fighting was super effective. My bad. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, crap. Oh, no!
Yes!
No!
Yes!
Damage! Go!
Awesome.
Andy! Let's see if you can dodge this.
Oh man, this is gonna be a bad decision. He's gonna die anyways, though.
Stay feeling a man, you coward! You're lucky I didn't use a dragon type move. This'll be quick. Kaboom! I hope Josh Scorcher doesn't sue me for that. I hope it wasn't copyrighted. That's beside the point. Okay, not another Yveltal battle. Ay, ay, ay.
Alright.
Damn! Oh, darn it. Uh-oh. That can't be good. Holy! Oh, wow, that did more damage than I thought. Well, it's over for you now.
Well, it could be all over.
The last one. We'll give you a fighting chance. Let's finish this big guy.
Come on.
Oh, crap. Huh. Did more than I thought. You might be able to be faster than than me, but nothing is faster than extreme speed. I checked. It always goes first. Oh, no, no. Dang it.
There we go.
Okay, buddy, you have 2 HP left, but you can finish this. Check. What?
Goodbye.
You're going faster than me. No! Impossible. Come on. Oh, you awaken the beast you do not want to meet. Hold on, wait. Let's show them how we do this around here. Preparing to nuke. Oh.
Go on, yes!
Suck. My shiny! My all-powerful shiny! Alright. You've avoided defeat for too long. I'm gonna end this.
Well, at least it's one-on-one. At least I wouldn't lose to, like, having you having 6 Pokemon.
Better! You mean like last time?
Yeah. You do have to admit, Delphox did have a good comeback.
Delphox was pretty good, dude.
Yeah, he brought a pretty good comeback.
But how was that faster than my Shoutmon?
I have no idea, but I'm gonna save that as my battle video, even though I lost.
Alpha?
Yeah.
Well,
I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like and comment if you want more of this, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys later.
Friend.
Yep, and this is Don Arceus.
Signing off.
Bye!